Hi everyone, welcome back. We are slowly heading into a fall season. Officially, we can start preparing pumpkin dishes. That's why I prepared today adorable pumpkin rolls filled with delicious honey pumpkin and apple puree, perfect for upcoming holidays. You will not be disappointed at the taste and the look of these delicious rolls. Here is my inspired recipe. First, we'll start by cutting the pumpkin and removing the seeds. On an oven tray lined with parchment paper, cut the pumpkin, apples, and drizzle with olive oil. Bake at 400 degrees until they're soft. You can use your fork just to double check. After they cool down, you will peel the pumpkin, and using your kitchen fork or blender, you need to make puree. For the dough, make sure to measure puree. To the rest of the pumpkin, add apples, crush them, and mix all together. This mixture will go for our filling. Add honey, and for some nice warm flavors, cinnamon. Cover it and place on the side. For this dough recipe, you can use dry or fresh yeast. In the bowl, place yeast, sugar, flour, and warm milk. And the whole thing mix until well combined. Cover with the kitchen towel and let it rise for 10 to 15 minutes. Meantime, you will boil milk and add to the large mixing bowl, along with butter and sugar. Whisk to melt butter completely. To the milk, add pumpkin puree. As well, add ready yeast, 1 egg, and mix to combine all those ingredients together. And you will gradually start adding flour. Then you will start mixing with the mixer fitted with the hook attachment until well combined. The process with any yeast dough, it takes time. We always want to make sure the consistency is perfect. It should be as well smooth and elastic. The dough would be still very sticky. That's why you will remove from the stand mixer and continue kneading with your clean hand. By adding time to time more flour until the dough becomes soft and smooth. Would be ready when it's not sticky to your hand anymore, just like that. Transfer to a clean bowl sprinkled with flour. Cover it with kitchen towel and let it rest for an hour and a half until it has doubled in size. And this looks perfect. And the ready dough, you will return to lightly floured wood surface. Divide the dough into pieces of approximately 80 grams each. Meantime, get rid of any liquid from the filling by using sifter. And now, roll each piece into a bowl. Then you will flatten slightly to fill with small amount of puree, just like that. Then you will pinch dough together, but do not roll the bowl. To create those amazing shape of pumpkin, you need kitchen twine. Wrap each dough ball in cooking twine, wrapping the twine around the dough ball to create basically a pumpkin shape. Just like that, guys. Do it slowly. It's almost like a wrapping gift. And there we have our first pumpkin roll. And let me just repeat again, this way hopefully is easier for you. Just remember, do not wrap too tight, they will still rise. Will place those cute rolls into a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Cover and set them aside to rise for 10 to 15 minutes. For the golden look, brush each pumpkin roll with an egg. Try to avoid kitchen twine, this way it's easier to remove them later. Make sure to bake those rolls in preheated oven at 350 degrees for approximately 20 minutes or until golden brown. And there we have our first batch of pumpkin rolls. When they cool down, remove gently by cutting the twine. Mix them by using cinnamon sticks or pumpkin seeds. They not only look beautiful, but they also taste delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun recipe for upcoming fall. If you have any questions, just please ask me below. You can find me as well on my blog, Instagram, and Pinterest, Cooking with Katie. Don't forget to like this video as well and subscribe. This way you won't miss my next recipe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!